Okay, Chris, so what do you think about prospects of Daikin on Ukrainian market?
To be honest, in the Ukrainian market, we have seen, let's say, a drop back in the last 2 years. And now I'm noticing that we are recovering already from it. For the future, this is bringing, let's say, optimism from Daikin. And we have the opinion that we will recover from our setback, which we encountered during the economical crisis, in the next 2 or 3 years.
Okay, then how long do you cooperate with LeConte company, and how did it look like during those years?
Personally, I cooperate with LeConte now for 2.5 years, but cooperation of LeConte with Daikin has been going on much longer. So they started working together with us in 2001, but I know first official indication of 2003, 2004 that we were working with LeConte. And when I was introduced to LeConte for the first time, they were introduced to me as a very professional company, very driven in promoting Daikin in the market. And during the last 2.5 years, I've noticed and I've also been able to experience this. And the time that I've spent together with LeConte really is confirming that.
Thank you a lot. What is your opinion about LeConte as a business partner?
Well, LeConte as a business partner is very convenient to work with because they are always very correct. And I see they are thinking in the same way as we are. They are also trying to bring in the renovation in the market. They are also looking for offering a total solution package. For example, we are not only a traditional air conditioning manufacturer, but we tend to extend our range also towards heating applications, towards refrigeration applications. And in this I see that there is a lot of willingness of LeConte to support. And next to this, we have a general company strategy, for example, being an environmental friendly company. And also in this I see that LeConte is really trying to push and to promote this incentive in the Ukrainian market, which according to me is not so easy as in the European market.
Okay, thank you a lot. And what would you wish to the LeConte company?
Very simple. I would like them to have a lot of success in their further development. But I think this will not be a problem, since they have, in the last 10 years, they have already developed very hard. And I just want them to continue the way they are doing today. And according to me, not a lot can go wrong if they do as today.
Okay, thank you a lot.